Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. So first of all, open up the app. Now once you're at the home page, click on your profile picture at the top left. Now on here, click on your username. Now after that, click on edit image below the image. After that, click on open photo library. And then here, select the image that you want. I will go for, let's say, this one right here. You can take an image at that particular time as well by just clicking on edit image and clicking on camera and taking a picture at that time. So that is how you can change your profile picture on Microsoft Teams. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams. So here I'm in Microsoft Teams right now. Now once you're here too, click on your profile picture at the top, click on it. Now here click on your profile picture again. Now after that you'll be in this window. Now here click on upload. And in here, select the picture that you want to upload. I will go for, let's say, this one. Click on open. And your profile picture would be changed. But you have to keep in mind that changes will be reflected in your Microsoft account, meaning all the Microsoft associated apps would have the same profile picture. Now after you uploaded your picture, click on save right here. And your profile picture would be changed after some time. So that is how you can change your profile picture in Microsoft Teams.